Hey everyone, today I'm at another one of my rental properties in North St. Louis. I want to check on the grass to see how high it is and to look for a dog that they're not supposed to have. Then later come back to see the backyard and the back of the property to see a complete overhaul of the decks, windows, and a couple of the doors. I just got this property and it's the first chance I've got to get on site and actually mow and trim it. It was built in 1913 and it was a 4-family and then it's converted into a 2-family flat. It has off-street parking and the new concrete is coming to make a new 2-car parking pad that's a little bit bigger and 2 new walkways. The backyard fences are definitely coming out. A lot of sections are old and has missing pieces, missing gates, and the sides are tied up with wire here and there. Towards the alley has a dumpster with trash all around it, and the dumpster is empty, so figure that one out. You know who will be picking all of that up. All of the weeds are bad, and the vines everywhere are growing on the fences. Where I'm standing is room enough for 3 or 4 small cars, but it's so broken up and old that you can barely see it. I want to extend it into the yard just a couple feet so the back of the cars or trucks fit in better. I have an SUV and the back is right next to the alley. Someone fenced the 2 sides off with panels and stakes that has to go. I can kind of understand why they did it though. The bottom section of the building has 4 doors, and with a little debate with the contractor, the 2 middle doors are coming out and will be bricked in. The decks are a little deceiving looks-wise because there's a lot of parts missing and the bottom decks are rotting. The windows are also falling apart with rot. Funny because all the other windows are fine. I finally see a dog. I've been here a few days, all day mowing and pulling weeds, talking to the tenants, and another few days talking to the contractor, and I've never seen a dog or even heard one inside. The only thing I saw was a water bowl in the backyard when I was mowing. It's been hanging out mostly on the left side of the doors a lot, but the bowl I found in the backyard was on the right. I don't know. There was some major weed killer going on and spraying everywhere around the fences and all over the property. And the fences are down and hauled away. All that's left are a few posts that will be gone hopefully by tomorrow. All of the concrete has been poured, and no one was allowed to drive on the parking spaces for 2 weeks until I did it just now. Fingers crossed. The walkways are done. The decks are almost done. The work is done where the doors were and on top of the roof vents. New doors with metal storm doors. The upstairs windows are both in, just waiting for them to frame it in a little bit more. Huge difference. The only thing I didn't care for was the brick where the wall was filled in, where the doors were. Looked a lot lighter, staggered over on the right in the middle. But whenever you get up close, they look like they blend in. But I'm really glad that I spent an extra $3 on each of those deck metal spindles instead of regular wood ones that you always see broken or rotted somewhere. Overall, huge change. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this short mini tour of what I call 1913 house in St. Louis. I'll keep you updated later in the following weeks when the outside is finished. See you in the next video.